Destiny is a place that I've always wanted to go because, like, when I wasn't in school, like, my mom wanted me to learn about stuff and learn about my ABCs and stuff. But, like, she chose this place, and I'm happy that she made that decision because I really like how our teacher teaches us, and I'm happy that, like, we've been learning about things. Like, when I was in my other preschool place, they didn't teach me nothing. So my mom took me out and she put me here, and I'm glad that she made that decision because Destiny is the best place ever.